Why you should choose Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: ultra slim 2.8 inches and whisper quiet 65 decibels. Clean under furniture anytime. At just 2.8 inches tall, the G20 glides under beds, sofas, and low-clearance furniture with ease. With only 65 decibels operation, quieter than a microwave, you can run it during movie night, work calls, or while the baby naps, no noise complaints. Smart 3D obstacle avoidance plus zigzag navigation, smarter path, less missed spots. Advanced sensors detect and dodge furniture, charging cords, shoes, and pet bowls in real time. The systematic zigzag path covers 30% more floor than random bouncing robots, ensuring row-by-row cleaning. Cliff detection prevents falls downstairs. No-tangle suction and 2-in-1 mopping, perfect for pet households. The specialized suction design prevents long hair and pet fur from wrapping around the brush, no more scissors frustration. Pair with the 230 ml electronic mop for wet cleaning of hard floors. HEPA filtration traps dust, pet dander, and fine particles, keeping your air cleaner. 2-hour runtime, cleans up to 1,290 square feet per charge. The 2,600 mAh battery powers through entire apartments, condos, or multi-room homes in one go. When battery runs low, the G20 automatically returns to its dock and recharges, no manual restart needed. Perfect for daily maintenance. App, Alexa and Google Assistant control, clean your way. Use the companion app or your voice to start, stop, or schedule cleaning. Choose from 4 modes: auto, zigzag, edge, or spot. Adjust suction, or check cleaning history, all from your phone. Requires 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.